Hi, today we're going to do some salmon, cream cheese and spinach turnovers, and I'm going to use flaky pastry because I've got about 3 sheets here and I had a piece of smoked salmon in the fridge. You could use tinned salmon or other fish, but this is what I'm using today. So I've got some spinach here that I've washed and I'm just going to cut that up smaller. So I'm going to mix it all with the cream cheese and the salmon. Pop that in the bowl. I'm going to put a few capers in there because they always make it tasty. Probably about 10 capers actually. And then I'm just going to break this salmon up into the bowl. This has got no bones in it. And then I'm going to put cream cheese through it. Just a pothole. And I'm going to mix that all up together. I'm going to cut these pastry sheets into 4 squares. I'm going to get a little handful and pop that in the middle. Right, I've got the filling on each pastry. Now I'm just going to give it a little spray with water so the pastry will stick. And I'm just going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on each one. And then I'm going to make these into triangles. So I just want to bring that over and squish it with my fingers. Down like that. So I'm going to go and do that to all of them. We've done them all into triangles and I've got egg and milk here for a egg wash. I'm just going to put this on the pastry to make it nice and golden. I'm just going to put a little hole with my knife in each one because that lets the steam out when they're baking, otherwise they'll explode in the oven. And I'm going to put some seeds on each one. And you want to have your oven up at 200, nice and hot for pastry, and these should take around about 15 minutes. I'll put the timer on. So I'm just going to pop them on some trays that I've already sprayed with tin release so they don't stick. Alright, we'll pop them into the oven. And I'll put my timer on for 15 minutes. That's our timer's gone off. It's 15 minutes and our little turnovers are ready. So there's our salmon pastries. You could have them with your dinner with a side salad, or you could have them for lunch. And yeah, just pure deliciousness. I hope you enjoy them.